the sun is shining and it's brightened, so you can't see well, but this is from the valley. As you can see, always we show from the back, but now from the valley you can see how it looks like. There are name trees here, so you can see well from it. When it's cleared, then everything will be plain. Yes, this is what I mean by stepping it from the stairs. After climbing or turning to the higher steps, you just climb, then have the landing. You either turn right or turn left. We are dealing with the left, so this is what I mean by the stepping. When you are getting in, the step we did, this is only the place you are going to feel it, because you are going to step 1, 2 step into it, then you have a level ground to the living room. So this has been the living room. It's going to have a wider glass over here. So this is the design. All these pipes will be continued to the top. So we have your living room and then the kitchen combined. So the back kitchen have a porch over there, as you can see. The back kitchen have a porch here. Yes. Which you turn left into this storeroom. This is a storage. Yes. So the divisions have taken place on this to the step area. So when you are at the base here, it's just flat. Everything is flat. Where you are going to feel it is the entrance. That's all. After that, nothing like steps. You enter. This first room is your visitors WC, as the plan showed, and the state to follow. You have your one closet here. Either you go to the left side or straight. Straight, you have your first room, which contain its own WC and bath with a closet, walk-in closet. So this is how it looks like. We have risen it to the height. So you can see this is very high. But when you go to the other side, it's going to be normal. Then all take the level at the top, being equal. Out, you are facing the WC and bath, which serve these two rooms. They serve this one room, and then the second room over here. So this is how it looked like. This is space management. We we have exhausted the sun. Everything is finished. We still have to have sun here. So no matter what be the case, we have to take all this block from here today before at least we can have a sun to the place. If not, it will be at the top there, where fetching to this place is not an easy task. At least when it can tip half there and tip half here, we can manage. Yes, it's better. So no matter what be the case, we have to collect these blocks today. It's ongoing to the top levels have been established, so they are ongoing. Still Bender 2 is working. The guys, some are cranking the rod, doing the cuttings and then the rings, and fixing the pillars as well. The view is very nice. Seriously nice. We've established the top level, so it's coming. By all means, the blocks have to go so that we can have chance to bring sun. So no matter what be the case.